How to delete your TikTok account. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your TikTok account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our TikTok account, first of all, just go ahead and launch the TikTok application from your device. And once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this kind of interface. You just have to go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines which is located on the top right. As you do that, from the bottom you'll find the option called settings and privacy. So just tap on settings and privacy, and as soon as you've done that, you'll find another option called account at the very top of the screen. Just tap on that, and from the bottom you'll find deactivate or delete account. So just tap on the button that says deactivate or delete your account from the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on deactivate or delete, here you'll find the button that says delete account permanently, and once you tap on the delete account permanently button, just select why you are leaving TikTok, or else you can skip the process by tapping on the skip button on the top right hand side of the screen. And as soon as you've done that, agree to the terms and conditions and tap on the button that says continue, which is basically at the bottom of the screen, and it will ask you for a confirmation, which is the final confirmation. So just tap on the button that says continue in order to continue deleting your TikTok account. And the final step is to also enter your password, and that's all it takes to delete your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.